Hi guys, Kim here. Welcome to Backyard Blooms. In today's video, we are going to do a little Christmas special, and I am bringing you into my home and sharing you my Christmas tree and my mantle. And this is the best Christmas present that I could have gotten this past year. Me and Paul love her, and this is Roxy, and most of you have already met her. You gonna say hi, Roxy? Hi. Say hi. I got the cutest little bellies, little legs. I'm going to put her down and we're going to share my Christmas tree with you. So what I love about this Christmas tree is that I was able to bring the outside inside, and this is my nature Christmas tree. So I especially love my little owls, and I love the blue and the white and silver because it matches my accents here in my house, as you can see that I have on my curtains. So some pro tips that I'm going to give you, and I'm not really saying that I'm a pro, but anyways, looks pretty good, I think. But here are some Christmas tips for your decorating. So I especially love all the floral that I have at the very, very top. I have probably about 15 to 20 pieces up there of florals, and that's all I do. This is what they would look like when I first purchased them, and I just kind of put them, just stick them in to where they attach, and I like to attach them around the Christmas wires, and that kind of holds them in place. If they don't want to stay in place with Christmas wire, you can use some kind of, if they don't stay in place with the lights, you can also use some kind of wire to keep them in place with the stems. But that's all you do. I just find an empty space and kind of just plug these back in like so until they stay. There you go. All right, sometimes you have to kind of like step away and make sure things look good too. I don't want it sticking out too far. All right, and another thing that I actually love about this Christmas tree is the ribbon. And I have a double ribbon right here. So I purchased 2 different ribbons and just make sure they correlate and contrast against each other really well. And I just overlaid them on top of each other, and that's all I do. Is I'm going to show you. So this is what it looks like, and then you just bunch it up and then find a limb and just kind of twist it around the limb. Now if you don't have a fake Christmas tree and you want to do something like this in a real Christmas tree, then you can take the floral wire and wrap it around right there and it'll stay in place. So that is my ribbon tip. And then another tip that I learned actually last year, and I loved it, was sometimes, your ornaments hang down and they look good hanging down, like this one, for instance, where it looks good and that hangs good in a place. But then this one down here, I don't really want it hanging too much lower because it's going to be into my owl or into my bird there. So I used floral wire. Let me untwist it here to show you. I don't want it to drop because it is glass. All right, here we go. So you just put the floral wire through the little loop, and then you attach it right to your branch, and then twist it probably about 3 or 4 times so it doesn't fall off, and then it stays right in place on the tree right there. So yeah, I mean, there's some things that I absolutely love. The ornaments, I love the ones that have the birds on there. And then this one I got last year and I really loved it. But I really, really like how everything just kind of coordinates with the house. Before I had red and gold, and it didn't really look good in this space with all my blues on my accents. So these kind of look purplish, but they are a little bit blue. I like sparkle. I like florals. So yeah. That is all my tips for my Christmas tree. Now let me share my mantle with you. I really wanted my mantle to be more simple this year. So I got this garland. This is a 15-foot garland that I got from Kirkland's. And then I just have a few owls. And then I put some Christmas lights that you can change the patterns on the Christmas lights. I like something real simple that's not too flashy and classy. And then I got a couple of gold bells. And this stocking right here I got from Pottery Barn. I'm not really sure. I think I got this at one of the Christmas shows that I attended in Charlotte last year. But I just really wanted to keep this space really simple when I have So much going on over here. So I hope this gave you some inspiration for your Christmas decorating, and I'm so happy to invite you into my home, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, friends.